Hi, this is Bharath Thippireddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. Over the years, I have helped hundreds and thousands of students master AI using a practical and hands-on approach. Whether you are a beginner, a programmer, or a project manager who is curious about AI automation, this course will give you a clear and practical introduction to Agentic AI using no-code n8n. We start small. You will build a very simple AI agent and gradually add capabilities step by step, learning how agents use tools, retrieve information, ask for human approval, and evaluate their own responses. Along the way, you will work on real, easy-to-understand examples. You will create an AI agent that performs tasks using tools through MCP, an HR policy assistant that answers employee questions using Agentic RAG, and a clinical assistant that helps draft and send specialist recommendation emails only after human approval. You will also learn how to add basic evaluations to check AI response quality and simple guardrails to keep inputs and outputs safe and controlled. Along the way, you will also see pro tips in each section. These are designed especially for leaders, product managers, and decision makers. Enroll now and master creating agents in simple steps.